A carpenter lost his life at Patharkandi Haribasa area on National Highway number 8 after being hit by a speeding vehicle. The name of the deceased is Maina Kandu. Incident took place on Friday around 11:30 p.m. Later, the local blocked the road demanding justice for this man. In the description of the incident, it is known that the dead Maina Kandu is a carpenter by profession. On Friday night, on his way home from market, he was hit by a speeding small car from Lower Poa towards Patharkandi and fell on the side of the road and died. Later, the locals reached the spot on hearing a loud noise and saw the frozen body of the well-known carpenter lying in the road. And surrounding this incident, road blockades are being staged in protest by the excited people. Meanwhile, local ward member Sunil Kandu, BJP worker Shambulal Nak, Baithakal Bagan accountant Kotampal and others came to the field on hearing such news. They tried to normalize the situation. Later, information was given to Patharkandi police station. Ushi Dipak Das tried to break the blockade by coming down to the ground, but his efforts also failed. Later, MLA Krishnayendra Pal spoke to the excited crowd over the phone from Guwahati, and with his assurance, the road blockade was lifted.
এতিয়া অলপ আগতে আমাৰ ইয়াতে বৈঠাখালত এটা এক্সিডেণ্ট হৈছে তো আমাৰ ইয়াৰ স্থানীয় এজন লোক ঢুকাইছে আৰু গাড়ীটো পলাই গৈছে আমি অলপমান খবৰ পাইছোঁ একদিন দুদিনৰ ভিতৰত গাড়ীটো আমি কৰায়ত্ব কৰি কিনে আমাৰ ভিক্টিমৰ পৰিয়ালে যিখিনি কম্পেনসেশ্যন পাব লাগে সেইটো আমি ব্যৱস্থা উন্নতি পলমে কৰি আছোঁ
Later, the body was sent to the district headquarters hospital for post-mortem. The body has been handed over to the family after the post-mortem on Saturday. The entire family has become destitute due to the accidental death of the sole owner of the family. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.